back. What do you do when the insurance companies start calling almost immediately after you're injured in a car accident? Well, we're going to find out in today's Wednesday Wisdom with the Peterson Law Office. Imagine you're in a car accident and you're injured, and while you're still trying to get your head around what had just happened to you, well, the insurance companies start calling. What are you supposed to do? Well, we've got the answers. We're joined today by Maston Childers of the Peterson Law Office for our Wednesday Wisdom. And we haven't had you on the couch before, so welcome.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Love being here. Thank you.
How long have you been associated with the Peterson Law Office?
So Justin and I have been doing this together for about 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know how many segments you've seen with me and Justin and Tam, but one thing you'll learn is I'm not a great driver myself. So this is
That's good. Neither am I.
Yeah.
It's fine. We're good. We're good.
So this is a very appropriate conversation,
Yeah.
especially during the winter months when things are slick out there.
Yeah.
And of course, I don't even need a reason to wreck, but what would you tell folks that are watching that if they get in a wreck, what's the very first thing they need to do?
So the first thing I always tell people to do is take a beat, right?
Okay.
So it's important that you slow everything down and think about how it is that you're feeling, right?
Okay.
So you may not immediately think that you've been injured, but in all likelihood, you have been. So the first thing to do is go to the hospital.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
number one.
Right.
Yeah.
So take a beat, go to the hospital or your doctor, see what they say has happened to you, and then call us.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
Very
walk you
good
through
information.
everything else.
Yeah.
Because your adrenaline's going after you're in a car accident, you're discombobulated, you don't know what's going on, and so you may be in a hurry to be dismissive, I'm fine, and then lose out on something later.
Yeah.
So when the insurance company, say you're in the hospital, the insurance company calls you, should you take the call? Should you not take the call?
No, I live by one rule, and that is insurance companies are here to make your lives miserable.
Yeah.
Ah.
They're trying to take advantage of you. They're trying to get you to tell them things, have recorded statements done, and for you to sign things as fast as you can, because it's in those short moments after you've been injured that you don't really understand the full impact of that injury, that you're more likely to sign away something for a low ball offer and not really get the full picture of how it's going to impact you in the future. And so that's their sweet spot. Let's get to you quickly. Let's get you to sign something to go away soon instead of after you've had time to treat and, again, recognize the full impact of that injury on you. Because once you've signed away your rights, that's it. If you find out 6 months down the road that you've been more severely injured than you initially thought, it's too late.
Oh, gosh.
So take a beat.
Yeah.
Talk to your doctor. And then call us.
Yeah, I feel like this is something we need to teach our younger drivers
New drivers.
As well, because I know that when I got in an accident, I was 16. I was putting on lipstick in the rearview mirror, and of course, I just confessed that immediately to the cops and to anybody that was listening. And I had to get a little coaching from my parents after that. So we need to teach our kids too that it's important to maybe go to the doctor and to call mom and dad and make sure that they're calling you guys.
That's a great point. I'm going to amend my answer. Take a beat, call mom and dad, then go to the doctor. That's a really good point.
Unless you're 45, and then maybe not necessary to call your parents.
I don't know. I tend to do that sometimes still. And
Sometimes you just need to call mom.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. And you all are experts in this field of personal injury. Talk to us about the team that you work with, especially when it comes to like accident reconstruction and knowing what happened.
Sure. So Justin and I, we've got a really great team. We have a bunch of lawyers that work with us and a bunch of experts in all fields. So you're right. We have accident reconstructionists that can go out and figure out exactly what it is that happened, how the collision happened, or how the trip and fall happened, how whatever it is that has impacted you happened. So you don't have to worry about what you remember. People's memories fail them, especially when there's been a traumatic event. So we have the tools available to you to use to figure out exactly what it is that caused the injury that you are now suffering from.
Well, and another thing wonderful about you guys is you all are open 24/7.
Yeah.
So you're always going to have somebody available to consult with or to take your information. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you get a hold of our team, and you can get a hold of both Justin and I directly at any time, all hours of the night. Sometimes our families dislike us for that, but it's true. And that's what we're here. We're here to service our clients. That's our number one priority.
Yeah. How long have you been in the business?
Gosh, 15 years-ish.
Why did you want to become a lawyer?
You know, I was in the restaurant business before, and it was too hard. and so I decided no. I was raised by a lawyer, and that's just kind of what I always wanted to do, and it worked out, and I'm very fortunate, and I'm very fortunate to do it with somebody like Justin and our team, and we're really lucky, and I'd like to think that our clients appreciate what we do for them, and that's what we do.
Yeah.
Well, Tamara and I know a lot of people, and people are always asking us who we recommend for, and you all do tons more than just injury law, personal injury law, and we always recommend Peterson Law Office. Justin is the real deal. He's as good as they get. And now we've met you, and we can attest to you being the same way.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, very down to earth. And that's what people want when they are coming to somebody. Not only do they want an expert in the field, but they want somebody they can relate to. You're a nice guy.
Well,
Justin's a nice guy. Is that like on the when you apply to work there? Do they, are you a nice guy?
Since this is a family show, I can't say, but we have a rule, and we don't deal with people that don't fit our mold. And and we have to be. We have to have people that care about what they do and care about our clients and don't take themselves too seriously. What we do is very serious. They call us attorneys and counselors for a reason. We are both attorneys and counselors. We're here to help you through the entire step, every step in the process of what is that's going on with you. I mean, truthfully, we take that very seriously. You don't just call us and then we pass you off to a bunch of people and make money and then you never hear from us again. That's not what we do. We are here to counsel you through the entire process.
Well, you guys are the best. We're going to put all the information up on the screen. We hope you're not involved in an accident, but if you are, please call Peterson Law Office. Thank you, Maston.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you all.
All right.